Hi everyone, I just want to go over this diffusion assignment with you, just some instructions. So here is an image, and if you guys can pretend that this green arch is the cell membrane, this is inside the cell, this is outside of the cell. It says the membrane is permeable to blue particles, so these particles here, but the membrane is not permeable to the red particles. What I want you guys to do is move the particles to represent what happens when equilibrium is achieved. So if you guys can imagine, if you need to move a blue particle, you just put your cursor over that till you get like the cross with arrows, and if you need to move the red particle, do the same thing. So you are just going to show me what this will look like after equilibrium is achieved. Remember that this green arch right here is a cell membrane, and that cell membrane is permeable to the blue particles, but not the red. So let me know if you need anything.